This historic courthouse represents justice in the District of Columbia and has served the citizens of this city for over 200 years. For those seeking resolution to their cases in the District of Columbia, the DC Court of Appeals is their court of last resort. In a very real way, this courthouse is a touchstone of our democracy. The legacy of this building is written in rulings, not recognition. The justice that takes place within these walls isn't just symbolic. It's local and it's real. The words of Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. are inscribed on the front of our modern courthouse. Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere. These words inspire all of the people who work here at the DC Court of Appeals. The judges, clerks, security, and support personnel, and many others work hard to provide justice and to treat the people with cases in our courts with dignity and respect. They are here to help you. They are here to guarantee your safety, help remove anxiety and fear, and to make sure that justice is absolutely objective and fair. Hello, I'm Anna Blackburn-Rigsby, and I'm Chief Judge of the District of Columbia Court of Appeals, and I'm so excited to welcome you to the District of Columbia Court of Appeals. For many of you, this is your first time to visit our court. Our goal is to help you navigate the appeals process as easily as possible. We've created a digital portal which can be accessed online or by smartphone, and even assist in helping you understand the filing process that will be required prior to coming before the court. Over the years, we've moved from old-fashioned parchment to paper to the internet. Now, all filings are digital and fully accessible and secure. Remember, we are here to serve you. Now, here are the links that you'll need to navigate the process and an interactive 360 map of our court building. Thank you and welcome to the DC Court of Appeals. Located in the heart of the nation's capital lies a court with a legacy as deep and impactful as the city itself. This is the District of Columbia Court of Appeals, an institution that has shaped the law, safeguarded justice, and stood at the crossroads of political and legal history. The District of Columbia Court of Appeals, often referred to as the district's highest court, was established in 1970. It serves as the final arbiter for cases within Washington, D.C., with influence that stretches far beyond the district. Before its establishment, the judicial system in the district was governed by a series of tribunals that evolved from the early days of the nation's capital. The creation of the DC Court of Appeals was part of a larger effort to modernize the judicial infrastructure and ensure more effective governance in the District of Columbia. Today, the court has the unique responsibility of hearing appeals not just in civil and criminal matters, but also in family, tax, probate, and administrative cases, making it a crucial institution for local citizens and those conducting or doing business in the district. Over the years, the court has been at the center of pivotal decisions that were instrumental in defining the boundaries of the law within the District of Columbia. With its diverse roster of judges, the DC Court of Appeals has played an important role in promoting equality in the judiciary. Today, it stands as a symbol of the nation's commitment to fair, and impartial justice. It's a court that bridges the gap between local governance and the broader federal system. The District of Columbia courts are innovative and have evolved as history has taught us. In 2024, we established an artificial intelligence task force for the District of Columbia courts. This task force was created with a clear mission to examine and help shape best practices for the use of artificial intelligence within the judiciary. It's tasked with developing a roadmap for responsible AI integration, continuously evaluating the role of AI in court operations, and helping us to understand the broader implications of AI's evolution on our justice system. Crucially, the task force will help develop new court rules around the use of AI, focusing on disclosure, transparency, ethics, accuracy, authenticity, and even the certification of AI-generated content in court pleadings and proceedings. The rule of law will forever guide us, and technology will be a tool we evaluate with parameters in place that align to the oath that we live by. Our court system has undergone more transformation in the past 4 years than it has in the last 100 years. Innovation is now central to what we do. As Chief Judge, I am constantly evaluating our court procedures. Our goal is simple yet vital: to ensure that our courts remain accessible, inclusive, and fair. And that means looking at our systems through the lens of today's realities. That said, the future also holds promise. We're already envisioning ways AI and other emerging technology could enhance case management systems and improve organizational efficiency while safeguarding privacy, security, and accessibility. These advances are indeed very exciting. They will surely improve how we serve the people of the District of Columbia. From its historic roots to its modern-day significance, the District of Columbia Court of Appeals remains a pillar of legal integrity and a testament to the evolution of the nation's legal landscape. We are steadfast in our faith in the democracy of the United States of America. At the District of Columbia Court of Appeals, every case begins with a question and ends with a decision that can shape lives and laws. The search for that answer begins the moment a case arrives at our doors. The District of Columbia Court of Appeals has created a thorough yet simple system for filing an appeal. In order to bring a case before the court, you must file a notice of appeal electronically with the clerk of the D.C. Superior Court. This should be done within 30 days of the judgment or order being appealed. For cases involving decisions or orders from a D.C. government agency, board, or commission, individuals must instead file a petition for review directly with the clerk of the Court of Appeals. This should be filed within 30 days of the decision or order being appealed. Justice is a process. From the first step, court staff guide appellants, break language barriers, and open the first door to justice. After the notice or petition is filed, the case is docketed. The court sends a docketing statement form to the parties, which must be returned within a specified time, typically within 20 days. After the case is docketed, the appellant must arrange for the record, that is, transcripts, filings, or any other documents from the trial court to be transmitted. This will most likely involve ordering transcripts, and designating relevant documents. Behind the scenes, court staff moves each case forward long before a judge reads a single word. No task is too small in pursuit of justice. At this point, the court sets a deadline for the filing. The court requires the following: an appellant's brief, an appellee's brief, and a reply brief. Each brief must comply with formatting rules, which can be found on our website. When those briefs reach the bench, our preparation begins, grounded in humility and discipline. Every decision carries weight. We read every word. We question every assumption. We remember the people behind the case. After the briefs are submitted, the court may schedule oral arguments, or it may decide the case on the briefs. With technology, we now work faster and reach more people without sacrificing the careful deliberation each case deserves. Justice may move more swiftly, but the weight of our decisions remains unchanged. At this point, the court issues an opinion or a memorandum of judgment or an order resolving the appeal. The case is now closed, or it can be remanded, which means sent back to the trial court or agency for further action if necessary. Every opinion we release carries meaning far beyond the page, decisions that echo through time. We've worked diligently to make this process as seamless as possible. The Court of Appeals website has a step-by-step process and video you can watch that may make your filing easier. At every stage, from filing to final decision, we uphold the same promise: to serve justice with integrity, clarity, and compassion. Thank you. I, Anna Blackburn Rigsby.
I, Joshua Deal.
I, Phyllis Thompson.
I, John P. Howard III.
I, Vanessa Ruiz.
I, Eric Washington.
I, Catherine Easterly.
I, Vijay Shankar.
I, John Montague Stedman.
Do solemnly swear
That I will administer justice
Without respect to persons.
And do equal right to the poor and to the rich.
And that I will faithfully and impartially,
Discharge and perform.
As an associate judge.
As senior judge.
as associate judge,
As senior judge.
as associate judge.
As a senior judge.
As associate judge.
As a senior judge.
as Chief Judge of the Court of Appeals of the District of Columbia.
Agreeably to the Constitution.
And the laws of the United States.
And I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States of America.
Against all enemies, foreign and domestic.
That I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same.
that I take this obligation freely
Without any mental reservation.
And that I will well and faithfully
Discharge the duties of the Chief Judge of the Court of Appeals of the District of Columbia.
So help me
God.